No, I don't believe that. I swear to God, I'm gonna get it. Can you believe me? You don't know me. Come on, get it. Yeah. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Party's over. Let's go, my real quick. So, Ruben, can I get my stuff out? That's all I'm asking, my love. Ruben, let her talk on that. And I'll leave you in your still there or stuff. That's it. You know what? No, I ain't gonna go get it. Y'all can go get it.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. Y'all be careful.
Go, guys. Just go.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. YouTube, by the way. Bye. Oh shit, they're finna fight me. Bye, y'all.
Are you going home with us? This is my uncle's house. Get away. What? 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 Hey, y'all quit. Y'all quit that.
Which one? Let's go.
Come on, puta. Hey, puta. You want to fucking hear us? No, fuck you. You can have it. No, come on, fucking fat hoe. Christine, you know. Christina. Yeah, Christina. Come on. Yeah, but you're putting your hands up. No, she's fucking.
I'll say this shit for 1995. 1995. You want it? Gotta call me, copycatmaster, hotmail.com. Hit me up.
Fucking motherfucker, what is that?
Copycatmaster, hotmail.com. Hit me up, youtube.com, baby. Facebook. Facebook, /.
She's trying to start walking home or something.
Oh shit.
That's my cousin. Chill.